Key fobs. Key fobs. This is a computer. It has chips and it requires programming. So by definition,
Yeah.
it is a computer.
Yeah.
Okay? What do these cost to replace?
I've heard,
250,
yeah, anywhere a couple $100.
500, 250.
I was in a Mercedes-Benz store the other day. $1,500 to replace
I
a
don't know,
key.
4 hours, I guess. Maybe a couple $100.
Your GMC, no. My Ford key fob's got to be $500 or $600 because it's got
Yeah.
remote start. It's got,
Yeah.
it'll do the windows halfway. I can't even work it on the end.
Yep. Right.
Yeah. So these were expensive. And when someone loses a key fob, okay, most people will not pay to have it replaced. They just take better care of their last key fob. But when they go to trade the vehicle,
You only got one.
someone's going to ask them how many key fobs they have. And if they've only got one, their vehicle isn't worth as much as if it had two. So this is a big one. I've paid for 2 key fobs before I wised up and started buying the policies. And then I've had one replaced at no cost to me. I don't try to lose key fobs. Nobody does. But I lost one somewhere between Greensboro, North Carolina, and Sarasota, Florida. Don't know where it went. But when I got back home, I didn't have it.
Oh, God.
Fell out of the plane.
It fell out, yeah. It's probably sitting in the lost and found. Some Delta
TSA.
Airlines lost and found, right. But it was $450. This was for a Honda, and I got it done at my brother's. I got the friends and family discount,
Wow.
and it was $450. So these are expensive, and most consumers don't realize that if they go to trade or sell a car with only one key fob, someone's going to deduct from the value of that vehicle for the lack of key fob. So key fob's a huge one. In fact, a lot of my dealers don't do key fob on their select policies because it drives up the cost of the policy. But here, I mean, you guys are doing more for your customers than most of the stores I work with. Okay? I mean, you'd be crazy to buy a Ford or a GMC anywhere else here if we're telling the stories correctly. Okay?
And I don't think we are.
Well, no.
It hasn't been put across this way yet.
No,
Appreciate this.
again, this is Motor Trend's fault for not sending me here sooner.
Yeah, I agree.
So, see, now I pass the blame on me. Just a nameless, faceless entity. Yes. And I need to, in the future,